Welcome to Davi Toons Club, the place where we turn characters into fun, expressive drawings. Today, we're drawing a super cute chibi version of Zoey, step by step, starting from the line art. If you need more time at any point, pause the video. Take a screenshot of any tricky frame to use as a reference later. Don't forget to check our playlist with other cartoon-style character tutorials for more ideas. Let's start with the big and expressive eyes. Create tall ovals with generous inner white sparkles. 2 or 3 circles of highlight inside each iris read as bright, lively eyes. Zoey is presented as the group's maknae and lead rapper in HUNTR. She's a central figure in the story's dual life of pop idol and demon hunter. K-pop Demon Hunters quickly became a huge cultural hit in 2025, with its soundtrack topping charts and the movie achieving record streaming numbers on major platforms. Add delicate curved eyelashes and slightly arched eyebrows for a cheerful expression. The movie's soundtrack dominated Billboard charts and returned to #1 on the Billboard 200, highlighting its strong musical impact. The nose is tiny and minimal. A little triangular mark will do. Make sure her mouth is open and happy. The cute round ears and earrings help make Zoey even more stylish. Chibi heads dominate the silhouette, so make it large and round with soft, slightly puffed cheeks. Draw a clean outer contour for the face. Keep the chin small and rounded. Block the large hair masses first, the top volume, the bangs, and the big bun at the back. Use smooth, rounded shapes rather than drawing every strand. Afterward, remember to add some curved highlight shapes to the top surfaces to give the impression of shiny, soft hair. No gradient needed, just solid lighter shapes. Suggested color: vivid black with electric blue highlights. The side strands fall to just below the jawline. Simple and beautiful curves. I want to see your chibis. Take a screenshot and share it in the YouTube community. Tag Davi Toons Club or use hashtag DaviToonsChibi so I can find and share your art. If you like these chibi tutorials, check out our playlist of cartoon characters and tell me who should be next. Comments like that help me choose and shape future videos. Draw the short chibi torso, compact and simple, keeping the silhouette cute and balanced under the big head. Sketch the short turquoise top with its single strap and small choker detail at the neck. Keep all lines clean and bold so the language reads at small sizes. Arms are short and slightly chubby. Mark joints with tiny circle guides if helpful, then finish fingers with smooth curves. On Zoey's right hand, draw the microphone, a simple handle with a rounded mesh head. Keep facets minimal and readable. In the left hand, draw the V peace sign. 2 fingers extended, others folded. Make the gesture cute and rounded. Legs are short and slightly stubby in chibi style. Mark the knees with gentle curves and keep the thigh to calf proportion compact. Zoey's left leg is slightly raised. Finishing tip: I started with black line art and then switched to a dark blue for a softer, more harmonious look. If you are drawing with paper and colored pencil, be sure to do the line art with dark blue pencil. And here are some color tips for you to use when coloring. Peach skin, black hair with blue highlights, dark blue pants with yellow sides, lilac eye makeup, blue sneakers with yellow details, silver earrings, turquoise top and suspenders. Draw the knee bent and the foot pointed down lightly to show motion. Draw ankle-height sneakers. Add a small cuff or seam at the ankle and a few simple fold lines where the shoe meets the leg. And here she is, our super cute Zoey. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Chibi versions, and tell me which character should get the next Chibi makeover. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.